Hey, we're back to another video. So that was just Shawn, and those are all my packages over there for the Mustang. We're down in the basement, and we're gonna start unpackaging things, and then hopefully get the new headlights and little accessories that I got for it on. Now we're about to open it, and we'll get back to showing you what it is. So that's what we're looking at. It's gonna be the cleanest thing on his car.
Oh, the spacer stuff.
A bunch of crap. Oh, it gives you a bunch.
Gave me all this shit?
These are mounting points, screws.
Screws and the connectors. Shit, I didn't have to go steal shit from Walmart.
All right, so we're gonna basically just take these out of the box, get everything ready. We're gonna show you guys opening up the other couple things, and then we're gonna head outside and we're gonna start installing this stuff. It shouldn't take us too long, so we'll see what we can get done.
No, I didn't.
So in here is fucking Jake's little ball. He only bought one because he only has one nut. So there's a little fucking gear shifter. Down here is his little ugly black lug nuts.
Did not expect them to look like that.
Yeah, it looks a little weird. He's got 20 of them. His muffler's over here. Cat might end up in it. I don't know yet. Flowmaster 40s?
40 series, yeah, original.
Flowmaster 40s. Over here he's got the... I don't even know what fucking thing that is.
Wicked Flow.
Wicked Flow. I can't read that shit. X-pipe here. And then his headlights, as you guys saw. And that's basically it. Here's his other muffler. And then that stuff is mine. So yeah, we're going to hop outside into the garage. And obviously we're going to hit the easiest stuff first and then keep moving on. So I went ahead and went around and threw on all the black lug nuts. So they're on all 4 tires now. They don't really make a huge difference. But I mean, his old lug nuts are pretty fucked up. So he's over here trying to pull out his headlights. He's got a side marker out over there. And he's struggling a little bit to get this one.
Can't get the fucking retainer clip out.
I'm going to hop in here and I'm going to show you guys what this shift knob looks like. He said it's not exactly what he wanted, but I mean, it's what it is. So right there. We're going to have to go ahead and tighten that a little bit so it lines up a little bit even. But yeah, we'll come back once he hopefully gets his headlight out, but who knows. So Jake is over there fighting with the headlight. I'm over here starting to pre-wire some of these headlights. So I guess these wires got to like get put together or whatever. I'm just reading these instructions. We'll see what we have to do here. And I'll come back once I have a better idea. Over there pulling out the headlights. I went ahead and wired up this little thing. So here's our positive wire. The 2 lines go into one, and then I just added a wire to it. So we got 1 wire off of it. Same thing with the negative over here. We wrapped the quick connector and we wrapped a little bit more extra black tape here just so we know this is our negative wire. Jake's just finishing wrapping up over here. Both sides are wired up, and then we should be able to go ahead and throw these quick connectors on the wires in the car, and then we'll be good to go. We should be able to just crimp them down and they should work, at least. That's the plan. There's some technical difficulties over here. I guess one of these didn't really crimp that well, so I went ahead and I just crimped the shit out of it so it ain't moving now. Jake's went ahead and taped these wires off to the side because they were getting in his way. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same, and he's gonna go ahead and try to start throwing that headlight on over there, and then we'll come join him. Well, this is where we're standing. It's been about an hour. They're not working for whatever reason. We don't know why. The adjusters are not lined up. Nothing will clip in. They don't, like, they're not filling the gap. I mean, it's what to expect with aftermarket stuff, but I mean, this is just bad. And we're trying to figure it out. Don't know what we're going to do yet. Gonna figure it out, I guess. Might throw in the old headlights for now. Work on this tomorrow. Do something different, but Jake's over here doing, I don't even know what, fucking with the adjusters or something, but yeah, I don't know.
Replacing the one that you broke.
These are a disaster right now, and we're both pretty pissed off at this thing, so we're going to come back to it at a different time. What is going on? Good morning, guys. We're back out here the next morning. I just woke up. Well, I've been up since like 7 o'clock, but we were supposed to be starting at this way earlier, but Jake just, I don't know, we're not going to get into that. But I just got out of bed. I got out of the house. We're about to take my mom's car. We're gonna go meet Jake at Walmart because apparently he needs a supervisor to buy stuff. Like he just, I don't know. But we got our bang out here, you know, chilling. Might go pick up the new flavor. It came out yesterday, so we'll see if I can find that over there while we there's a couple stores over there that might have it. So I'm gonna head over to Walmart, come back once I find Jake. All right, guys. We're leaving Walmart actually. I stopped, found my new flavor of Bang. We're gonna have to give it a test. We went to the vitamin shop, picked that up. We went to Walmart, picked up a bunch of stuff there. So we're off to a good start for today. We don't have much time, but we're gonna see what we can get done in today's time span. I'm following Jake over to Advanced Auto to pick up his paint color right now. And then he's gonna head over to the car wash, and I'm gonna head back home and start prepping stuff so we can get some stuff done here. So yeah, I'll come back once we are back at home. Alright guys, so I just took out the headlights again. If you watch this video, you could see that we tried this yesterday. Didn't really work. Got the old ones right here. Had to break a couple tabs to get them out, and then the new ones are over there. Shawn is over here doing my body work. He's adding some Bondo and primer, and then we're gonna paint the car today. So hopefully it doesn't look like a cow anymore. So stay tuned and we will keep you up to date. Here we've skipped ahead a little ways. This side's all taped off and got some Bondo on it. Over here I'm working on doing the same thing. Bondo's already thrown down, started taping everything off. I'm going ahead and sanding the tape off of this little, I don't even know, airflow vent, I guess. Jake's over here, still working on these headlights, going ahead and pulling off these little knob things so we can retrofit it ourselves. So he's gonna go ahead and start doing that. You guys will see his angle, and I'll be working on mine, so I'll keep you guys updated. So Jake got this one in over here. Still got, yeah, it's pretty good fitment. He's trying to figure out how to get the turn signal in there. But yeah, he's got to wire these together and hopefully it'll work.
If not, the others are broke, so I don't know what to do.
Yeah, there's that. I'm over here, got this down. I'm just gonna throw a tiny bit more Bondo right here, and then this side will be good to go. And then yeah, I got to get a move on here. We got little time, a lot of work, so we'll check back in.
Oh shit! It works. Hey, tell me if the brights work.
Do you want me to take this plastic off? Done, put in place, locked in place, whatever. He's going ahead and starting on the next one. I went over here and I laid down the first coat of primer on everything. So we're gonna keep moving on over here. We're gonna lay down a couple coats, and then I'm gonna start, you know, let it dry up, whatever, and then we're gonna start painting and hopefully get some clear down on this stuff before, you know, the day's over. So I'm gonna keep moving ahead, probably use the heat gun, speed up this process a little bit, and we're gonna keep moving on. All right, we're moving along quickly here. We got 2 coats of color down, going very light, trying to match up the best I can here. This side's looking pretty good, same with the other side. Jake's over here just finishing up crimping these wires down. He fucked up a little bit, he's just re-crimping now. Basically, yeah, he's almost done up here. I'm gonna be done over here. I don't think he's gonna try to tackle the fucking wiper motor or whatever he's gonna do for now. But yeah, he's gonna finish hooking this up, and then we'll get a reveal for you guys once this stuff is dry, because I'm gonna hurry up and heat gun it, and then we're gonna move on with clear coat. A bit of an issue. This primer seems like it's a little bit too dark for this paint. It's not covering too well. I'm gonna go real thick over this primer spot next time around. I don't have much paint left, but I'm gonna try to make it work. Jake's over here, headlights are done. He's just putting in the clips now, and they'll be all in. They both work, so we're looking good so far. I'm gonna hurry up and finish this. All right, guys, we're done here. Jake's got to run off to work. His car's covered in dust and stuff, and you know, it is what it is. The clear coat actually came out really nice on parts of it, but you know, it's a work in progress. We'll have to fix it. But he's gonna head out here. I'm gonna get him leaving so we can show you guys the headlights, get the unveil, and yeah, that'll be that.
Okay, Lamborghini Mercy.
Guys, that is gonna do it for this video. If you did enjoy, make sure you drop a like down below. But we got those new headlights in for Jake. He's really liking them. There's a little bit of a gap on that right side one, but he'll get it figured out. we're gonna end up fixing that paint job later on. I'm probably gonna head to the car wash pretty soon and get the truck washed because it snowed here a couple days. So it's actually pretty filthy and I gotta get some salt off the truck. But yeah, that is gonna do it for this video, guys. If you did like, drop a like down below, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys all in the next episode. Peace.